Guys, welcome back to the channel. It is RacerX, and today I've got a little bit of bittersweet news on my Hellcat. You can see it right there behind me. Well, tonight may be the very last night that I actually have the car. I've got a little bit of a story for you and also some interesting news. But guys, real quick, if you are new to my channel, do me a big, huge favor. Hit that subscribe button. You can find that right down there on the bottom. You can also follow me on Instagram. Hit the notification bell. I have so much amazing content coming to you this year. It's going to be a lot of fun. And here we go. We got the 1,000 horsepower Hellcat. Well, it has been sort of a long day. I actually went to try and pick up the Hellcat at Hearst Autoplex. A lot of you know that the car has kind of been out there for sale for a little while. Well, those guys were nice enough to kind of put the car in consignment for me. It's just been sort of chilling up there. And of course, we had this big YouTuber event coming up. And I told myself, look, if I still have the car by the time the YouTubers event comes around, well, guess what? I'm going to grab the car. I'm going to get it in full race form, and I'm going to take it out there to Ennis. I'm going to enjoy the event. We're going to race the car and just have a lot of fun with it. Why not? Since I still own the car. And of course, today being the day that I was going to go pick it up, somebody actually showed up at the dealership up there, got a hold of me through Instagram. We talked on the phone, and somebody actually bought the car today. Of all the days, it's kind of a weird thing. It's weird how timing works out, but at any rate, the Hellcat is now purchased. So technically, as of really midday tomorrow, the car really won't belong to me anymore. However, the new owner is a very, very cool guy. He's familiar with the channel, and he wants this event, this big YouTubers event, and this call out I have, this grudge race with Donkmaster to go down. So guess what? I am still going to be at the event. I will still have the car. I will still be racing the car. So he's allowed me to just continue, driving the car, at least for this one last event. And I am super, super stoked. So I'm very, very excited about this, guys. And it should be a lot of fun, this event. As I mentioned, this really is a bittersweet moment for me because while I've had the car for sale for just a little while, when the time actually comes to get rid of the car, it is such a hard thing to do, especially when it's a car that you absolutely love. Many of you guys have been watching my channel for quite a while, and it was really built on the back of this Hellcat. This thing has really been the epitome of just speed, power, reliability. It has been everything I have dreamed of and more. I absolutely love this car. And when it goes, it really will take a little piece of me with it. I realize it's just a machine, but I think everybody out there can relate to this because most of you are watching this video, you're car people just like I am. And you know, when you sell a car that you love, even though you know it's time and you know it's time to move on to something different, it still tugs at your heartstrings just a little bit. But as I mentioned, I'm going to get one last ride in this thing. It should be a really good time. I hope to bring you guys not only a lot of good content, but I hope to be able to meet some of you out at this big YouTubers event coming up here very soon. And but in the meantime, I want to go ahead and give you some of my highlights from driving this car for the past, I've owned it for 5 years now, which is a long time for me to own one of these cars, but it really has been one of my favorite machines that I've ever owned. What a fantastic car, this Hellcat. So the new owner is getting a car that is absolutely bad to the bone, and I know he's excited about it. But I want to give you just a few highlights of me owning this car from the past couple of years of me doing YouTube, and let's do it. We've got the Hellcat in like full battle trim, completely ready to go, so it's a little bit loud in the car. I bet they're a little surprised with the four-door sedan, you think?
Oh, yeah.
The air is 200 feet DA and dropping. Gonna go ahead and run the car tonight, see how it does. She's ready to go.
I ain't scared. Oh, Mother of Mary, Joseph, and Heaven.
You're nervous? You're not gonna pee yourself, are you? What do you think?
It's crazy.
It's crazy, huh? She's ready. Always wear protection.
never seen a Hellcat or rode in one ever in my life, so this is like this is gonna be a great experience. I'm happy he's doing this for me. I appreciate you, you know what I'm saying? Hello, we gone. We gone.
Dude, I almost had you.
So sorry. I just can't stop laughing, dude. I'm seriously. Oh my God.
Hey, brother.
Let's make it
Well,
happen.
your car is a monster.
Well, my car is still a big four-door sedan and it's heavy.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. I don't know who he thinks is falling for that.
Wow, that was close. That was the best race ever.
This is hard.
I haven't been a car guy my whole life. I've never felt anything pull like that.
Am I making it difficult for you to text?
It's fine. No, it's okay. I'm just.
How about now?
Yeah.
How about out of it? Is that better?
Out, 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 out. Yeah, out would be better.
Okay.
Not up. Up means like, yeah, look up or get up or get going or I don't know. Up can mean a lot of things, but not stop.
Okay.
Too soon, Junior.
I think you might have got 70 on that one.
Oh my God. Okay, that's good. That's good. Holy crap, holy crap.
Just the way your mother likes it, Trebek.
This is so cool.
So there you go. What an amazing machine this Hellcat has been for me, really for the past 5 years. I'm so glad that some of you got to come along on my YouTube journey and see this thing just do damage out there on the track, see me do reviews in this, see do ride-alongs. I've done so much in this car, and it has been an absolute blast. And while it's time for a new chapter, not only on my channel, but for me personally, it is, as I mentioned, a little bittersweet that the Hellcat is going to a new owner, but I know he's going to love it. It's going to be great, and wait to see what we have in store on the channel here coming up soon. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. So until then, RacerX.